Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. And let me give you a quick update on this super amazing product that I did review a few days ago, okay, called Information Goldrush. So it launched, let me double check, on the 8th of November, guys. So it is the launch period is still, it's not over yet. It will be in about a couple of days, and then the price of this super great product will be most likely going up. I have the confirmation from the vendor that it will be going up, but it hasn't been decided yet as to what will be the price of it, okay, after the launch period is over. Now, why am I coming back to you with this update on this product? Because I've already, shot the review, right, on it. Well, because there is some extra information I have happened to, found out straight from the horse's mouth, actually, from, the vendor Rupen Doshi himself. Let me show you the vendor. That's the guy, Rupen Doshi, I believe his surname is. I'll have to double check. But yes, I was emailing with him back and forth. First, I reached out to him because I wanted the review access. He very, very kindly, and I praised him to high heavens in my review. What a quality vendor he comes across as. He seems like he has his heart in the right place, like he cares, and that is really rare. Okay, but this is not a new product as such, guys. It's not like another launch on JVZoo or whatever, okay? This product has been on for quite some time, and every now and again he would relaunch it, okay? Now, I might be mistaken, but I believe for the first time he launched it about a year ago, something like that. Okay, so he's relaunching it, sort of, okay, always trying to perfect the product and he keeps adding value to it. And there's a bit more information I need to let you know about that I was simply not aware of, okay? And the vendor himself, how super cool is this? Because he did give me the review access. There you go. This is the review access. You just download it, and once you've downloaded it, they look like that. It's PDF version. So that's the front end. That's the, OTO, guys, and really one upsell. And that's the upsell number one, OTO I will be specifically talking about. So you need to be aware why this is such a phenomenal upsell and so worth going for, okay, because you're getting personal coaching for 12 weeks, guys. Okay, let me give you a bit more information on it, because as I was saying, Rupen actually requested, as he gave me the review access, as I told him I would be shooting a video review about his product. He was like, could I kindly request a link to the video once it's complete? I was like, yeah, sure, why not? And I did email him the link with my review video, and he was like, hi Sylvia, I have just completed watching the video review, and I was very touched by your kind words about me and the package during the review. Much appreciated. Like you mentioned, the value is unbelievable, but I would always want any customer of mine to have a solid start, hence why I provided all of the extra bonuses. He provided many bonuses on top of the main training in the front end. Okay, guys, I'll remind you about the prices in a sec. And he says that a lot of work has gone into creating this product, so thank you for the acknowledgement. Just one thing you might have forgotten to mention, or maybe you did not know. Yeah, I did not know. I was not aware as such. As to the OTO, so just one OTO, one upsell, guys, okay, is the 12-week coaching program where the customer will receive a weekly download. But on top of that, I offer email coaching for 12 weeks, guys, as part of the package. Therefore, if anyone has any questions during the 12 weeks, they can email me and I will reply with my response. Okay, guys? And then also, as part of the upsell, for those who purchase the OTO, I have also included a copy of my brand new 84-page instruction manual called A Dozen Golden Ways to Get Targeted Website Traffic with my compliments. So guys, not only are you getting 12 weeks of personal coaching, you can email Rupen, okay, he will get back to you, but you're getting this brand new 94-page instruction manual. So A Dozen Golden Ways to Get Targeted Website Traffic. So super valuable. As you could see, the vendor himself watched my review, and he got back to me with this like extensively, almost long, email clarifying everything. So it just shows you how he really cares. Of course, he wants to sell his product. Of course, he wants affiliate to, promote his products, but it's not done by quality, but it's done by not by quantity, but by quality. So yeah, the effort is there. The care that he puts out there is very obvious. It stands out. Okay. So guys, just one upsell here. I attached the link to the sales page. Check it out. It's a very cool sales page. Okay. He goes back to mentioning this guy, as I already mentioned did say in my review of this product, that his name was Sam Braden, that he made this noise, loads of noise about that there is gold in Californian river, and everybody was rushing to California and, trying to dig out the gold. And he was he was smarter than the gold diggers, because he knew what they would need, what tools they would need, all the shovels and the maps, and to get to the place, right? So he provided them with the tools, and that sort of inspired the vendor, Rupen, to name this product Information Goldrush, because what this product is ultimately all about, guys, this is the front end, is how to create simple information products. So for example, who's making money? Are all of those who are ever consuming and buying the information, or those who are actually putting the information out there for sale? Obviously, okay, obviously those who are providing, the gold diggers, okay, those always learning, never really implementing, right? So those platforms like ClickFunnels, autoresponders, domain providers, and plenty more, okay? Those who actually provide the tools to those who want to learn how to make money online. So his point is, with this product, is become take the piece of this pie, sort of, yourself, become the creator, okay? Not just a forever and ever a consumer, because that will take you nowhere financially. Obviously, you will need to go through a stage where you will have to devour the knowledge, keep learning. Obviously, always keep learning, but don't forget the implementation of the knowledge you have gained, okay? Put it into action, create something. Put your assets out there, like a YouTube channel, like a website, and create content, or then create your own product if you're ready. And don't create a rubbish product, okay? Create a product, a quality product, once you feel you're ready for it. And, here you will have a lot of information that will inspire you and give you the tools to create the product, okay? And once you feel okay, this is something you're passionate about, you want to create a product about, you would be there for your buyers in terms of support, do it. Just do it. And here you have this okay, let me just show you how the product will look like. So in this form, and then once you click on it, you will just download it in whatever, you have a few options to open it with, okay? So to extract the information. And again, this is the front end, guys. So watch my review if you want a more in-depth look into the members area. I did open the PDFs. Is in the PDF version. This main training is around 100 pages long, and then you have many bonuses for 40 golden ways to use PLR content, 50 templates you can use to create high converting product titles, how to create an awesome lead magnet, the golden checklist for creating profitable packages, the golden sales letter template, and the Information Goldrush. The main training is here. You see, the bonuses are insanely valuable. as they are, okay, but they are just bonuses, and I mean, on top of this great main training course, right? And here is the OTO number 1, guys. So remember, it's a 12 weeks training course with the ability to be, well, while you would be able to contact the vendor, email him for the support with your questions, and he would, you know, get back to you. Plus he gives you this brand new PDF on, what was it again, on how to get targeted traffic from website. Okay, website targeted traffic. So let me just open the first module here so you see what it looks like. So it's a guide to prospecting your email list, to attracting new website visitors, to navigating to your next sale. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's PDF, guys. I'm not gonna show you all of that because that would not be fair on the vendor. Just giving you like a sneak peek so you know what it looks like, okay? Alright guys, just a quick reminder, guys, pick it up also together with my free courses, the links to my free courses that I always wholeheartedly recommend. Also the vendor of these courses is amazing. And this Information Goldrush, the link will be also below my review. Check out the website, okay? The prices would be, let me just quickly remind you of the prices. So the 37 for the front end, okay, and 97 for the upsell number 1. So guys, this is like, you know, personal coaching, 12 weeks, okay? It's a very crazy low price for, you know, such value. The value is mad of it, okay? Mad. It's crazy, insanely mad. I mean it, okay? And but the front end is also like with all of the bonuses for 37, and you know the price will be going up after the launch. It has not been decided yet as to what would be the price, but you know this is the lowest you will get it for. So 37 for the front end and just one upsell for 97. There is a downsell as such, but it's not really a downsell. It's like in case you cannot afford 97 at once, you can get 2 split payments, okay, of 57. So 2 times 57 payment plan, but you know you end up paying more, right? So if you can afford paying the upfront, I mean one time 97, do it. That's better for you financially. All right, guys. Mwah. Kisses from London. Love you, leave you. It's freezing here in London. It's like really shocking, but the summer was super hot, so it's a payback, I guess. I mean, I personally don't mind. I like this like crispy, you know, wintery weather, but even for me, it's like, all right, okay, it's getting cold. Let's keep warm. Anyhow, love you and leave you. I shall see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.